Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Revised K-12 Curriculum, Math, Grade 3, Quarter 4, Lesson 2, Day 3. Our topic for today is about division numbers using the 6, 7, 8, and 9 multiplication table. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, the learners are expected to divide numbers, solve simple division problems using the 6, 7, 8, and 9 multiplication tables. Write the correct answer. 1. 16 divided by 8 equals 2. 2. 36 divided by 9 equals 4. 3. 63 divided by 9 equals 7. 4. 72 divided by 9 equals 8. 5. 81 divided by 9 equals 9. Today, we will divide numbers using the multiplication tables of 6, 7, 8, and 9. Problem. Mother bought 24 toy cars from the ER Super Mall. She divided the toy cars to her 6 children, Justin, JV, Gerald, Paul, and Tim. How many toy cars did each of them receive? How many toy cars are there in all? Answer. There are 24 toy cars in total. How many groups of toy cars are there? Answer. There are 6 groups of toy cars. How many toy cars are there in each group? Answer. There are 4 toy cars in each group. How many toy cars each child received? Answer. Each child received 4 toy cars. The problem can be solved through an operation called division. Division is splitting into equal parts or groups. It is the result of fair sharing. It is one of the 4 basic operations. Mathematics, and as mentioned, it is an inverse operation of multiplication. The solution of the problem can be written in a number sentence. 24 divided by 6 equals 4. Read as 24 divided by 6 equals 4, where 24 is the dividend. This is the division sign. 6 is the divisor, and 4 is the quotient. If 6 times 6 equals 36, what is 36 divided by 36? Answer, 6. If 7 times 3 equals 21, what is 21 divided by 7? Answer, 3. If 8 times 5 equals 40, what is 40 divided by 8? Answer, 5. If 9 times 8 equals 72, what is 72 divided by 9? Answer, 8. If 6 times 9 equals 54, what is 54 divided by 6? Answer, 6. Divide and write the answer. 1. 42 divided by 6 equals 7. 2. 56 divided by 7 equals 8. 3. 48 divided by 8 equals 6. 4. 63 divided by 9 equals 7. 5. 72 divided by 8 equals 9. 1. There are 63 mangoes. If each basket has 7 mangoes, how many baskets are there? Answer, there are 9 baskets. 2. A farmer has 48 oranges. If each box holds 8 oranges, how many boxes are needed? Answer, there are 6 boxes needed. 3. There are 54 pencils. If each pencil has 6 pencils, how many packs are there? Answer, there are 9 packs. How do we divide numbers using the multiplication tables of 6, 7, 8, and 9? Answer, we divide by using multiplication facts. Division is the opposite of multiplication. Directions. Choose the correct answer. 1. What is 36 divided by 6? Answer, B. 6. 2. What is 49 divided by 7? Answer, B. 7. 3. What is 64 divided by 8? Answer, C. 8. 4. What is 72 divided by 9? Answer, C. 8. 5. What is 56 divided by 8? Answer, C. 7. Directions. Complete the division facts. 1. 6 times 8 equals 48. Then, 48 divided by 6 equals 8. 2. 7 times 6 equals 42. Then, 42 divided by 7 equals 6. 3. 8 times 9 equals 72. Then, 72 divided by 8 equals 9. 4. 9 times 7 equals 63. Then, 63 divided by 9 equals 7. 5. 6 times 9 equals 54. Then, 54 divided by 6 equals 9.
Maraming salamat sa panonood. Huwag kalimutang i-like at mag-subscribe para sa higit pang educational content. I-click ang bell icon para ma-update ka sa ating mga bagong video. Salamat!